Hi, 7th and 8th graders. I hope that you got my note that I left on your desk today about there being no VIP and that you just finished the reading workshop in ELA. I hope that you read that you were supposed to be in your assigned seat and that you have taken a moment to look at the schedule. Please keep in mind that I did mention that if there are any names written down from the sub of any students that they have issues with, or if any students would like to email me and tell me about any issues that happened in class, you are more than welcome to do so for any students who do not follow our code of cooperation. And if that's the case, then that person or those people can expect to stay with me after school on Friday. I don't think it will come as any surprise if your name does come up, because you know what your behavior is, and if you're following the code of cooperation, that shouldn't be an issue. So just be kind to one another, have a great day, and what I'm going to do in just a couple minutes is show you very, very quickly what I would like you to do today for your blog post. You need to have your first draft of your job writing piece finished and also edited by me before you can actually do this. I do have some that need to be returned if the sub has not done so. There are some on my desk. There's a couple for period 1 and several for period 3, so make sure that you get that back. If you haven't finished your job writing piece, you should probably stop this video right now, unless you're watching it as a whole class, and get started on that right away, silently working on it, because it was due last Friday and you're very, very behind. So with that said, I have Angela's has shared hers with me. She definitely needs to make some changes. She will note on her paper, I've written in purple, some of the changes that I would like to see her make, but she also needs to read it again to herself, preferably the printed copy, so that she can see any changes that I might have missed. Then what she's going to do is she's going to go through and she's going to make some changes. Like, for instance, if I was Angela, I'm going to notice that my first paragraph needs to be indented. And I don't mean to pick on you by any means, Angela, but yours came up first. Just little things like that, and you'll notice that I wrote those down on your paper. So, Angela, thank you for not allowing me to share, but I'm going to use this anyway. I'm not judging you based on your writing, but what we're going to do today, once you're done your final copy and you've made all your edits and your changes, we are actually going to post the link to this writing piece instead of printing them, because I don't want to use a whole lot of paper, and I think this is a cool way for you to publish your work so that other people can see it. So you're going to go up to share once you've got your final copy, and you'll notice right here when I click over share that it says that this is private to Angela and one more, which is me. So if you click on share, it does give you the option to change who has access to this document. You need to change that to anyone with the link, so that anybody that sees this can just view it. Now you want to make sure it says view, because otherwise they could comment. You can have them comment if you wish, but make sure that it does not, that you're not clicking on can edit, because you don't want them to make changes to your paper. So anyone with the link can view or can comment, and then you're going to press save. So now anybody can see Angela's paper. What you're going to do next is take this URL right here that's in blue, make sure it's all highlighted in blue, press Command C to copy, and you'll notice my little edit button up here kind of lit blue. That means that it copied. Go back over to your blog or dashboard, click on the orange pen to create a new post. You're going to title it job writing piece. Make sure you put the right piece. Then you're going to click right here on this link button. It says L-I-N-K, link. Add or remove link. You're going to paste over the URL, so Command V, and then change the text to display to the title of your story. Whatever you call it, that's what you're going to use. Make sure that it says open this link in a new window. You can press test if you want to. It will just open it up in a new box, and press OK. Then, as the rest of your piece, you are going to tell me one thing that's going well in class right now and one thing that needs to change. Okay, that's all you have to do for your blog today. You're going to post the URL to your Google document and tell me one thing that's going well and one thing that needs to change. And I want to see those in complete sentences. I want to see specifics. Do not use names. You may use initials, but you may not use names, because remember, on our blogs we use our pseudonyms and we remain anonymous. If you need to write specifically about a name of someone that's bothering you, please email me instead. I will have my computer on and I can email you back. So once you're done those two things, you can press publish and it will show up on your blog and you are done. So let me go over this one more time. I've written it as a sticky, just as a heads up. You need to edit and revise your first draft of your job writing piece. And if you haven't even written your first job, guess what you need to be doing? Yeah, writing it. Okay, so the second thing that you're going to do is post the link in your blog. Remember, you're going to change the sharing permissions, post that link, and then write one thing that's going well today in class and one thing that needs to change. And then once you've posted that on your blog, you can begin working on other work that's on your end of the year calendar or the work that's on the windowsill, which includes the book talk, the time capsule, or the letter to next year's teacher. So I would like you guys to stay quiet, stay in your assigned seat. Everyone's going to be working on different things at this point, so just make sure that you are being respectful and giving them their time, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.